What up, what up? This your boy, Monterico, chilling. Feeling kind of whatever today. Hey, not like last week? Well, not even last week, like a couple of days ago, dude. Y'all see how it was like all super sunny and like crazy hot? It's still hot though, but now just like all of a sudden it's just get gloomy, bro. Like, dude, you know they be controlling the weather, bro. I'm telling you, like for sure. But anyway, what we will be doing today is, oh, somebody texting me. Honey dip, but installing the TrackSpec hood vent, baby. My boy Jules, that's my neighbor right there. Love that guy.
Yeah, how you doing?
Good neighbors. What's up, Jules? But we'll be installing the TrackSpec hood vent, and I pretty much got the template already taped down, and really just have to do the relief cuts right here. Cut those out and we'll be good. So let's get to it. I'm gonna set you guys up and we can get to cutting. Let's go. Before we get to any type of action, we don't want no sparks or anything going into the bottom end, so let's cover that up. No debris, baby, no debris. So now we can get the cutting. Safety glasses. Okay, so we pretty much got the rough part cut out, and these sides right here, I have to be careful because you got rivets that go here and there, so you got an angle, bam, 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 bam. So I'm gonna get a pen and mark those so I can cut those out perfectly. Check that out, look. Nice. go across right here, across right there, go across right there, 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 there. Now, as far as the rivets, once I place the hood vent in, I can do the dots for the rivets from the actual vent itself and not the template. How I'm gonna make those little cuts, I don't know, because my grinder is not gonna be able to do that. So yeah, that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to come up with something smart. I got an idea. Yeah, I got an idea. Try to get as close as possible. Cut right there. I don't know. I may have to go buy a Dremel and cut these out, because I'll be able to get it a lot, you know, get into the tight areas. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, boys, so we're back. Got everything cut out. And we just gotta drill a hose. So let's get to it. Mind you, on these though, from here, 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 all the holes besides that one, these, those, and like 4 holes are the same size, and the rest is all small. So let's go. I only have one size. I guess they expect me to, I don't know, I'm gonna have to drill all these out the same size, because I got different size holes here, but they only gave me one size rivets. Yeah, they're the same size. I thought they was different, but they're not. So yeah, they all, I'm gonna have to drill these out. TrackSpec, what's up with that, bro? Like, what's the deal with that? I gotta drill these holes out so they can match those holes, because those other holes are smaller. I don't know, TrackSpec. I wasn't expecting that. That's kind of a letdown right there, Yankee. So let's drill these out. Alright, cool. So now we got everything drilled out. Pick your vent. Place it over the top. Put your rivet in. Little washers. Take one of those. You put it under the rivet. we are, just like that. You continue it to the rest of the rivets. Well, to the rest of the hose. You feel like you can't get them in, take your drill, just widen them up a little bit. Washer. Hey, my bad about that big black spot in the video. Thank you to my boy Justin. He owns a beautiful turbo CRX. He was like, hey man, you gotta, between like whoop whoop and whoop whoop, you got a big black spot in your video. I was like, what? Like, my fault. Like, sometimes when I make videos, dude, like, well, not sometimes, a lot of times when I make videos, I'd be like, all right then, cool, I just upload it. Like, I gotta really start re-watching the video to make sure everything's straight. I'd be lazy as hell sometimes, dude. Well, a lot of times. But anyway, I think somewhere on that video, we was putting the hood down. So let me show you guys how it actually came out. Check it out. Like 3-4 days later, check it out though. It looks so good. It's nice though. So the heat is gonna literally be just generating right from the top. You can actually see in there. And let me show you guys how much of the webbing I actually had to cut out. Oh yeah, we got most of the hood painted. See, check out the webbing. See the little washers under there that they give you. That's how much of the webbing we had to cut out. It's nice though. Little update from the last video. Bottom end is on, cover is on, washers is on the right way. The head is at the shop with the valves, keepers, retainers, everything. We will be ditching these because we are going coil on plug, baby. Yes sir. This car don't even have that, but yeah, we are going coil on plug. The coil on plug kit just got here. You already know I got the Honda S300. Now I'm just waiting on the coils and watch when y'all see the colors of the coils though. Oh my gosh, bro. So sick. And let me also, little dude kind of distracted me just now looking at me vlog, but yeah, coil on plug kit just got here today. Waiting on the coils. And oh my gosh, one thing in life, let me tell you guys, one thing in life, you cannot buy an imagination. You can't. creativity, you can't buy that. It's either you have it or you don't. We will be doing a modification to my turbocharger. Right now it's painted like lime green. We will be stripping that off and painting it or powder coating it. I don't know how. I don't even want to tell you guys. I'm not even telling y'all the color or anything. But it's gonna be so. Oh, and it's also gonna be, as far as I know, this have never been done on any car at all, let alone a Honda. So just know, once again, my idea is a first. So anybody can copy it afterwards. But yeah, anyway, that's not what this video is about. I gotta go to work in a few hours. But yeah, this your boy, SI Rico. I'm glad it didn't cool down a little bit. You know what y'all need to do? Rate, comment, hit that like button. And I never say that in my videos. But yeah. Hey, check. Hey. I got a turbo kit. Sorry for the feet. I got a turbo kit. First gen Turbo Smart Gate, Godspeed 3076R, and a ported manifold for B series. Hit me up. All three, $300. Let me know. Still available. It's on Craigslist, not Craigslist. It's on OfferUp and Facebook Market. So let your boy know. This your boy, SI Rico. And now, baby, we just waiting for the head. So as soon as the head get here, slap that on and backing into breaking in the motor. Hopefully my compressor will be here too. So yeah. And then we can finally go get my exhaust connected because it's sounding like doo-doo crap right now. I like my car sounding like, you know, with the exhaust. I don't like that open header shit. But yeah, this your boy, SI Rico. Rate, comment, sub, hit the like button. And I'm out though. Justin, thank you. And peace.